Playa del Carmen Beach in Mexico is one of the great destinations for tourists who want to enjoy the sun, sea and wild beauty of the Caribbean. With its soft white sand and clear blue sea, Playa del Carmen attracts thousands of visitors each year to relax and unwind under the warm sunshine. Playa del Carmen Beach is located in a prime location on the east coast of Mexico, in the state of Quintana Roo. Located on the Yucatan Peninsula, Playa del Carmen is located about 68 kilometers south of the capital Cancun and only about 20 kilometers east of Cozumel, where the international airport is located. This geographical location creates favorable conditions for tourists to easily reach by air, road or even sea. Playa del Carmen Beach is not only a wonderful natural destination but also a place that clearly reflects the intersection between climate and human environment. With a humid tropical climate, Playa del Carmen is influenced by two major seasons, the dry season and the rainy season. The dry season usually lasts from November to April, with warm sunshine and little rain. Playa del Carmen Beach is not only famous for the natural beauty of its white sand and blue sea, but is also an important habitat for animals and coral reefs. The coral reefs in Playa del Carmen are not only home to diverse coral species but are also an ideal destination for scuba diving activities, so visitors can explore the beauty under the sea. On Playa del Carmen Beach, the natural beauty of white sand and blue sea is not only what attracts tourists but also attracts the eyes of hot girls. With outstanding bikinis and healthy brown skin, the girls on Playa del Carmen Beach shine with charm and confidence. Playa del Carmen Beach plays an important role in Mexico's tourism industry. It is a top destination attracting millions of visitors from around the world each year. The attraction of this beach comes not only from its natural beauty but also from the richness and diversity of tourist activities. However, it is also important to emphasize the need for tourism to be carefully managed to avoid negative impacts on the local environment and culture. Sustainable management and protection of the marine environment is an urgent priority, including reducing plastic waste and protecting coral reefs. Furthermore, there is a need to ensure that tourism resources are distributed fairly and equitably to local communities, from supporting local businesses to promoting community-based tourism activities. Join us to explore amazing destinations around the world through our Wandering channel. With realistic and beautiful videos, we will lead you through colorful roads, explore new lands and enjoy memorable travel experiences. Subscribe to our Wandering channel now to not miss any new videos and share your passion with the travel community around the world.